Hi Kakay! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best and always remember na kasama mo si God sa lahat ng trials mo. And lagi kang magpipray sa Kanya and tandaan mo na free lang si Lord na kausap mo. Magsumbo ka lang sa Kanya. At sa amin rin na mga pinsan mo, mga tita mo, tito mo, tandaan mo na maliit lang yung mga problema na kakaharapin mo at mas malaki si Lord doon. Ayan, tandaan mo na lagi kami nandito, miss na miss ka namin, and we love you so much.
Happy 13th birthday, Ate Kakay. Mahal namin ikaw ni Mama, pinsan mo, lahat namin mahal ikaw. Sana masaya ka. Tapos, any problems mo, sabihin mo kay God, sa family mo, sa amin. Dahil, huwag kang matakot sa sabihin sa amin. Na mahal namin ikaw. Tapos, maraming salamat sa mga moments na binigay mo sa amin. At maraming salamat sa mga gifts, sa mga masasayang moments, nakakatawang moments na binigay mo sa amin. Happy birthday, Ate Kakay. I love you so much. Happy 13th birthday.
Happy birthday, Kai! Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana mas lalo pang lumalim yung relationship mo with God and mas maging mabuti ka pang anak at kaibigan sa mga friends mo, and also dapat lagi mong i-obey yung parents mo, and sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo laging put God's first. Ayun, so ko sabihin sa'yo, napaka-blessed mo na meron kang parents na love ka, yung gusto kayo maging masaya. Ayun, sana i-cherish mo lagi yung mga days na lagi mong nakakasama yung mga parents mo. And also, sana ma-enjoy mo yung day mo and mag-aral ka pa lalo ng mabuti. And sobrang proud ako sa'yo na at a very young age, nakilala mo na si God, and also mas na-enhance pa yung mga skills and talents mo sa music. Yun lang. Love you. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Kakay! I am so proud of all your accomplishments and of the person that you're becoming. I will always be here for you, and thank you for everything. We miss you and love you, Kakay. Wish you the best. God bless!
Happy birthday, Kakay! I just want to say that we are so blessed to have you in our family. We are so grateful to your generous heart. Continue to seek God, continue to serve Him, always put Him in the center of your life. And remember na nandito lang kami palagi sa'yo. And whenever you miss us, whenever you want to talk with us, just call us. And we miss you and we love you. I pray na lahat ng mga pinagpe-pray mo ay ma-answer ni God. And I pray na makuha mo yung gusto mong dream para sa life mo. And ayun lang, enjoy your day. We love you and we miss you.
Happy birthday, Kakay. Naway bless ka pa ng maraming kaarawan at ingatan ka niya, ang kalusugan mo, at laging huwag kakalimutan si God. Pagpatuloy mo lang ang pagiging mabuting anak at pagiging mabuting bata. God bless.
Hello, Ate Kakay. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Alam mo naman na love ka ni Tita. Enjoy mo lang yung pagiging team mo. At naway lahat ng mga wish mo, dreams mo ay matupad. Siyempre, lagi kang magpe-pray kay God. At lahat ng mga worries mo, isurrender mo lahat kay God. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Ingatan mo at alagaan mo si Mami at saka si Daddy and si Kuya Jaden. We love you and I miss you. God bless.
Hi, Ate Kakay. Happy birthday. We miss you. I miss you. Always pray to God. Be a good girl. Stay healthy. And always be happy. I love you. I love you, baby.
Happy birthday, Ate Kakay.
Happy birthday, Ate Kakay. I miss you guys so much. I love you.
Happy birthday, Carly. Take care and God bless. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo sa paglingkod sa Panginoon dahil dyan ka itatama ng latas. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Kakay. I miss you. Ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Kakay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Kakay. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Kakay. Love you.
Pagmamahal ang tanging hinahanap ko. Birthday Kakay, Carlita.
Happy birthday, Kakay.
Happy birthday.